In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show more fields in Asana Calendar 2025, step by step. If you've ever looked at your Asana calendar and wished you could quickly see more than just task titles, this walkthrough is for you. I'll show you the simplest way to reveal all the important information tied to a task right from the calendar, so you can make decisions faster without bouncing between different views. Start by opening your Asana project. Once you're in the project workspace, look toward the top right area of the screen and switch to Calendar View. This swaps the interface from lists or boards to a date-based layout, so every task appears on the day it's due. It's perfect for planning and spotting what needs attention this week or next. Now click any task directly on the calendar. As soon as you do, a panel slides in on the right side of your screen. This is the Details panel, and it's where Asana exposes the richer context behind a task. Front and center, you'll see the description. Think of this as the task's story, useful for capturing instructions, notes, and key context so everyone understands what success looks like. Just below that, you'll find custom fields. These are structured data points your team uses to track things like priority, status, complexity, cost, or anything else that matters to your workflow. Seeing them here on the calendar helps you judge urgency or level of effort without leaving the view. You'll also see subtasks, which break the main task into smaller, actionable pieces. This is great for understanding progress at a glance. Attachments appear in the panel as well, so you can preview or open relevant files without hunting for them elsewhere. Tags, if your team uses them, help categorize and filter work consistently. And dependencies show you whether the task is waiting on something else or if other tasks are waiting on it. That visibility is crucial for avoiding bottlenecks and scheduling realistically. Here's the key tip. Scroll inside the right side panel to view all the fields. The panel has its own scroll bar, and there's often more information below the fold than you might expect. If you don't see a section you're looking for right away, keep scrolling. Asana stacks these sections vertically, and longer descriptions or multiple subtasks can push other fields further down. That's it. Open your project, switch to Calendar View, click a task, and use the right side panel to review the description, custom fields, subtasks, attachments, tags, and dependencies. With that simple workflow and a quick scroll, you can surface all the details you need without leaving the calendar.